Hello, this is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how you can export a SharePoint list onto an Excel workbook. So if your list looks like mine here, so if your list is a modern list, which looks like this, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is click the Export to Excel button, just like so. It'll prompt the download. You might get a security message, but if you trust your SharePoint site, you can enable it. And that's it. You'll get your SharePoint list data onto an Excel workbook. However, not every looks like that, and it's not as straightforward. So let me walk you through that scenario. Let's get rid of this. If your list looks like this one, it may not be as apparent, but the button is there. It's just a little bit hidden. All you have to do is click on this list button up here. You'll see the button right here, Export to Excel. Okay. Again, it'll prompt the download. And if you trust your SharePoint website, you can click Enable. And it'll make you choose if you want to create a table, pivot chart, and you want to place it in a new workbook or a new worksheet. I like the table and new workbook option, so I'll click OK. All right, and there you go. Your data has now been exported onto an Excel workbook. Thank you very much.